jersey.
Now guys, sorry guys, the cameraman has been ended the... Sorry guys, the camera has been ended the video mistakenly, so it's okay. So let's begin.
Ay, sa 11 mo. Ah, baliktad. Oh, yung 11 niya.
For more summer videos.
Ay, sa 11 mo.
Ayusin mo, ayusin.
Ayan. Perfectionist. Huwag din nakaganon. Dito kaya tao. Hindi makita. Basta dito.
Lapit ka sa cake mo.
Sa cake mo.
Yan.
Oh, kita kayo lahat dun, guys. Ay, sa 11 mo. Like, that way. Para 11.
Ascend the kid and Nathan
Dito
loves
ako
his
sa
face.
Clinically. Ay, ganyan. Ganyan. Ikay mo si nanay kasi. Okay lang yung birthday. Happy na birthday po. Oh, punta lang Ate Mika doon ka. Ay! Oh, punta ka ba Ate Mika?
Oh, yan na DJ. Happy birthday. DJ, happy birthday.
Wala naman candles.
Yan, may candle. Ah, ito pala yung ano, lighter.
Wala, happy birthday.
Sabi naman, sabi naman, sir.
Oh, DJ, happy birthday ka rin.
Oh, kinantahan ka na DJ. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. David. Lo, wish. Make a wish.
I wish everyone likes and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more summer trips like this. So make sure like and subscribe.
Yay!
Dami naman natin. Make sure like and subscribe. It's my birthday.
DJ, ba po free soap promotion? Oh, picture na tayo.
DJ, it's blackout.
Oh, DJ.
Oh,
15 minutes. 3 minutes, okay, good.
okay.
Yep, good.
Another 3 minutes.
Smile, Dave, on your cake. Smile here.
Wait, DJ. Ay. Okay.
So embarrassed.